Hello students, welcome to Institute of Design and Art. A very common confusion students who are appearing for NIFT and NID both in 2027 is कि दोनों एग्जाम में निफ्ट और एनआईडी में बेसिक डिफरेंसेस क्या है इन टर्म्स ऑफ द एग्जाम करिकुलम और द एग्जाम पैटर्न। तो बेसिकली अगर हम लोग ये दोनों एग्जाम्स को देखते हैं देन एनआईडी इज हैविंग टू पार्ट्स, वन इज द डैट प्रीलिम्स एंड द डैट मेंस। In DAT prelims, they have the creative part, conceptual part, and GK. And in the second part, that is the DAT mains, they have the studio test and interview mainly. Although I will repeat one thing, although in their exam officially they have the quant like maths, general knowledge, logical reasoning, but mostly in case अगर आप previous year questions देखते हैं देन वहां पे हम लोग देख सकते हैं कि नॉर्मली आपका इंग्लिश, मैथ्स, लॉजिकल रीजनिंग का बहुत कम क्वेश्चंस आते हैं। And while talking about NIFT is having the three portions basically. One is CAT, which is carrying the 50% weightage. Then you have GAT, which is carrying the 30% weightage. Both of these papers are conducted in the first part of the exam, which is having 80% weightage. Once you qualify this first part, then you go for the second part, that is the situation test, which is having the rest of the 20% weightage. So this is the basic difference in NIFT and NID. That is, a separate GAT portion is conducted along with the first part of the examination. That is the general ability test. But while we are going for NID में separately GAT portion या separate weightage के साथ GAT portion organize नहीं होता है. Other than that, the syllabus is almost the same.